Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Digis Site, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to become Airbnb host. So in order to do so, firstly launch Airbnb application on your mobile. Then once you come here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now tap on the option of profile at the bottom right corner. Now once you come here, you'll see the option of Airbnb your place. Now simply tap on that option. Now once you come here, simply enter your location over here. Then after that, you have to tap on this option of Airbnb setup at the bottom of your screen. Okay, here we go. Now once you come here, simply tap on the option of get started. Now over here, you have to tell about your place. Simply tap on next for now. Now over here, you have to select any of these options that best describe your residency. So for now, I'm going to choose on this option of house and then tap on the option of next. Now you have to select what type of place will guests have. After this, tap on the option of next after making in your selection. Now over here, you have to enter your address as well. After entering in your address, all you have to do is tap on the option of looks good. And that's how simply you can become an Airbnb host. So that's it for today's video. And at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming tutorial videos.